Richards here with PTZ Optics here at our booth in Central Hall at the 2018 NAB show, and we've got quite a couple new features and products to share today. Many of you may know these are our white cameras. They come in gray, but these are our pan tilt zoom cameras that allow a single camera operator to operate multiple cameras, so making effectively video production more affordable and more expansive and more powerful for live streamers and production systems. And this could be a church, it could be a school. There's a lot of people using these products, but we've always had a 12x, which gives us a wide angle zoom, and it starts at just $15.99. The 20x is our most popular product. It's $16.99, but we've also just added a 30x camera. And the 30x camera everyone's been asking for more optical zoom. At 100 feet away, you can zoom into a head and shoulder shot that's only 2 feet tall by 4 feet. So for the larger sports arenas, and it's still all of the things that you know and love about our camera that if people come to know will be in the 30x. So for example, we have the IP. That's Ethernet connection for power over Ethernet. You can bring in audio, and you can also do something that we'll talk about in just a moment, which is the new tech NDI. But everyone always loves the HDMI and the HD SDI ports as well. All of that maintaining with the brand new 30x camera. Now let's talk a little bit about the new tech NDI. So all of our cameras are now available with or without the new tech NDI. So our low price point cameras starting at just $15.99 have all the functionality, and they're what's called NDI ready. That means if you're ready to upgrade to NDI, you can purchase a license for $600 and add NDI functionality. Why would you want to do that? Well, NDI is a protocol that allows you to integrate with some of the biggest names in the video production space. The new tech TriCasters, vMix, Wirecast, OBS, XSplit, and there's so many more. It allows you to use what's something called multicast. And multicast, which we're using right now, allows you to bring up the camera in multiple sources across your local area network, allowing many different people to use the same camera at the same time without adding additional bandwidth. I should mention that the PTZ Optics cameras are using what's called NDI HX, which is NDI high efficiency. High efficiency allows cameras to actually be broadcasting in high quality 1080p 60 video at less than 10 megabits per second. Now, you can see here's the camera coming off of one screen, but I'm actually multicast pulling it in again over here. And this is a free product that comes with the new tech NDI HX cameras. It's called NDI Studio Monitor. It allows me to control the camera over the network, and look at the latency here. Just incredible how low the latency is. That's the important part of the new tech NDI firmware. It is low latency, it's high quality, and it works on a regular gigabit network with the software that you most likely already have.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.